The best of days for that, though. I mean, you'll need to really get the rain slicker on. We've got a lot of rain around today. It's going to be breezy and unseasonably cool. We've been highlighting this day in the extended. It's like, oh, just make a change. But we're here. We've got a drier weekend, though. The good news is the timing of this. We're going to get this rain out of here for your Memorial Day weekend and beyond. A real nice pattern change from here. Shoreway looking all wet. All the roads are wet here this morning. There's not a ton of ponding of water on roadways. That's the good news because we haven't had real heavy downpours. It's just been persistent. There's a lot of spray out there as Briss has been tracking here. 51 degrees at Hopkins. We've got some drizzle area wide. 49, 50 seem to be the common temperatures. Few cooler readings back towards Mansfield. And the wind is on the gusty side. We've had gusts over 25 at times this morning. That will continue in the 20 to 25 mile per hour range as we go throughout the day. We had some heavier rain overnight, and now we're picking up another batch of some rain that's seeing that uptick on radar. Good lift in the atmosphere. So we'll start you out greater Cleveland area. This is a general light rain where you don't see the rain on the radar. There's drizzle, which is low level, and so you're not quite escaping the rain or the moisture. We've got some heavier downpours down towards Medina right now. This is getting in to areas like Cuyahoga Falls, up towards Stowe, Richfield Peninsula, Hinckley getting some decent downpours right now. And then it's really coming down in this batch that's getting into the Willard area. Ashland heads up towards you. You've got some heavier rain pushing in. Most of this will eventually slide down into the Mansfield area along 71 here shortly. All courtesy of this low pressure that continues to sit and spin like a top right over areas just north of Erie, PA. With this low being just east of us, it's dragging in the cooler air. And so May sunshine, despite the fact it's above the clouds right now, it wants to warm us up. We've got some of the strongest sun energy coming this time of year than any other time of the year. But that cool air coming in from the north is going to kind of counteract it. And so temperatures aren't going to do anything today, which is really hard to do this time of year. If you're looking for a dry slot in terms of the rain, well, forget about it. It's going to be tough to find today. It really is. National Design Mart hour-by-hour forecast. The rain train continues throughout the afternoon. Notice temperatures don't do anything. It becomes a little bit more widely scattered later today, but we'll have some drizzle in here as well as we get into the evening hours. Tonight, we get a little dry air in our southwestern counties. May see the stars for a little bit. Could even have some patchy frost where we clear out south and west of Cleveland. We're talking like Mansfield, maybe Elyria getting into it. Otherwise, the clouds will be stubborn. And then more of the same tomorrow. Periodic showers, although not as many. We'll have the clouds around and temperatures that are stuck in the 50s. Saturday's when things start to move. All right, we'll start with clouds around. Those clouds, maybe a pop-up shower or two, will eventually give way to clearing skies by afternoon as that sun comes back out. Not a lot of rain from here on out. Quarter of an inch and a half an inch ought to do it. This is great for gardens and lawns. It really is. And then notice how the rain chances, well, they're still there this weekend. They're very slim, though. We're going to have cold air aloft, so I can't rule out a pop-up shower in the afternoon most Saturday and Sunday. An update on your precip for the year so far. That bottom number is your surplus. We have a nice surplus in the ground, anywhere from 1 to 2 inches above average on the year, which is great for all of our area farmers and all the gardeners alike. We have good ground moisture in there. Weekend, pop-up shower Saturday. Sunday, can't rule out a pop-up, otherwise clouds and sun. Notice the warming temperatures, though. Monday for Memorial Day looks good for all the ceremonies and observances in the morning there. In terms of your long-range forecast, here's your pop-up chance in the afternoon Saturday, once again on Sunday. It's very slim, but I don't want to overlook that. Probably not seeing that in the phone app right now. And then notice next week, we have a big system down to the south, so this will spray clouds our way with perhaps some rain around here Tuesday into Wednesday. But overall, no big hits of rain next week. Everything kind of misses us, but a lot of cloud cover. Union Home Mortgage 10-day forecast, the slow climb continues. Our average high will be in the mid-70s next week. We don't get there until next Friday into Saturday, but should be pretty comfortable in the 60s next week. Dave?
All right, Matt, thank you.